Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an upcoming video. Hello guys, my name is Naman. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a bell intro. So, firstly, you have to make a video like this. Let me tell you. Simple video like this. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an upcoming video. And you have to edit that so it looks great, Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, I'm on it. 1 second, guys. And simply deleting it. Let's load check it. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an upcoming video. And now from this side, simply delete this. Okay, this is of 6 seconds, 49 milliseconds. So now what you want to do is press on this and firstly let's go to this, and you wanna go and crop this. Now you wanna have this like scroll it with your fingers, that just like something like this. Okay, and just match this ending and starting position, so it looks like this. Subscribe to my channel and now go to Google. Simply go to Google Chrome and search for Samsung Mobile PNG and download the PNG frame. So let's I'm going to download this one. You want anything you can download, and I already downloaded, but let's download it again. And simply go back to your Kindness tab. Click on the layer option, media, and in your download, I think. Yes, in your download, click on this. Now see, and adjust it according to your video. Now you can change it a little bit if you want to, because see, it's not adjusting. So just click on that. You have to adjust it. See, like this, something like this. That's better. Okay, and I'll move it up a little bit to that end. Okay, now let's see. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an upcoming video. And simply go to your layer, effect, and 1 minute. 1 minute, sorry. Go to text. Go to text and this one. Click on OK and hold it big and try to be and let it subscribe to my channel and hit from here, just about here. Okay, so go in this and overall animation, and there's a animation called squishing. Press on that. Oh, what? Oh, sorry, I have a mistake. Okay, mistakes happens. It's just about this. Let's see. Subscribe to my channel. Oh, firstly, none. Okay. Subscribe to my channel and okay. Go on overall animation again and do that question. So it looks like you're pressing that bell. Now let's see. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. And now go again to there and hit. Go to your go to layer text and find a bell in smileys. There should be a bell at anywhere here. Yeah, see, this is okay. Where is this? Now simply go and adjust this at time. And simply go on overall animation, and you can just do squishing again. So let's see our bell intro. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an upcoming video. For making this better, you can go in overall animation and also do floating. That looks amazing. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an upcoming video. Now simply add some overlays. Firstly, let's stop audio fade out so it looks better. Now let's add some overlays. So simply go to your layer, media, and you can do anything. I like to download this one, and I love this one actually. Whoa, what's happening? Shit. Okay, let's fix it again. Fix that. Not just about this. Okay. Okay. Now. Do like this and simply scroll it to here and click on this and go again to here. Fix that. Go again to your layer, another layer, media, and do it again from under sorry. Let's see watch on the other side. That's it. Okay. Now let's watch a intro. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an upcoming video. See, that's simple, and we made it. Thanks for watching us. Just share that, save video to gallery, and I'm gonna go for high definition. And guys, it's just about me. Thanks for watching, guys. This was such simple. Please hit the subscribe and also remember to press that bell. Thanks for watching.